Hi guys, Chantal from Nerdy Mama. I am in love with my workshop now. I think it's taken a little bit longer than I expected, but I tell you what, when we bought this house a year ago, this little dank workshop was lit by a garage door opener light and a single light bulb above the workshop table. So basically, we could not see in this workshop. The floor was dark, the walls were not finished, and there were these beautiful big cabinets on 2 of the 4 walls. And oh my gosh, they would never been finished, and they were dark with loads of time and ugly, and just they really needed some love. So that's what this video is about. Step 1 to bringing light into this workshop was painting those cabinets. And before I go, if you guys would just subscribe, that would really rock as well. Thanks. Okay, the trick here is to take all the cabinet doors off. That's going to help you get those cabinet doors painted in the quickest way possible. And get all that hardware off too. I mean, that's the hardware from one door. Now, all those doors off may not look like a fantastic way to do it, but seriously, just take the hardware off. You have to trust me. That's the easiest way to get all those painted. The next step is to sand everything. So you've got to get all those cabinet doors sanded. All of the old oil from your hands and other things like that got to be gone. Then you need to sand all of the cabinet faces. The next and most crucial step is painting. We just got to get this all painted. It takes forever, but it's just got to happen. And then, if you thought that wasn't enough painting, then we had to paint the cabinet faces. Once the cabinet painting was done for the faces and for the doors, I was able to go in and I thought just put the doors on, but unfortunately, because we have this old cabinet and this whole hinge thing, I had to figure out which door went to which hole before I could put them back on. But once that was done, then it was on to screws. The last thing I did was reattach all of the doorknobs, and then of course tested them all out to make sure they actually close. Thanks you guys, and if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, comment, like, subscribe, those things tell me that you're enjoying this video and that you'd really like to see more. I really appreciate you guys being here and watching me take the first step to really bringing light to my workshop so that I can bring you more of these videos. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.